What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you how I generated this motion control video you're seeing on your screen. I'll be showing you how I generated it for free. So if you're ready, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I will be pinning the link to this website in the comment section or in the description box to check it out. So once you are here, what you're going to do, you are going to click on sign in. So I don't have you sign into a new account, you can just simply just sign in using your Google account. So I'm going to be signing into an account. Alright guys, you can see I've signed into an account and I was given 100 credits. You can just click on this and close it. There on this one too, we can just click on it, and if you come to your account here, you see your profile here, you see 100 credits. Now from here, what you're going to do, just click out. Now we can see on this, you are seeing invite friends and earn coins. So that's another trick you can use to get your this. Now what I'm going to quickly do is to click on this invite now. So once you click on it, it's going to redirect you and go to a different browser. So on your own browser, you're going to see your own, everybody has their own unique code. What you're going to do is just copy the link from here, copy the link you are seeing here to this point, then just copy the link. Then you can go to a different browser or an incognito mode. But in my case, I'm going to be using a different browser. So I'm now on my other browser. So now I'm going to now paste in the invite code over here. So once I paste in the invite code, I'm going to now see it takes me over to this page. Now what I'm going to now do, you can see it brings me here to sign up directly. So what I'm going to now do, I'm going to click on sign in. Now I'm with Google. I'm still going to be using Google. Then you can see from here now, you can see what after signing in, it now brings me to this particular place. Now it's telling me that I should bind. You need to do this. If you don't do it, you're not going to see your credits. Now once you do that, you need to confirm this. You can see this, the code that was attached to your link. Then click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, then just close all of this. Now remember, this is my second account. If I should check now, I have 600 credit on this account right now. So I have 600 credits on this account. So I can use this account now to create my videos. Now let me go back to the other accounts. Let's see. So now on the other account, remember I was having 100 credits over here. So now by the time I come here, you can see it's now 600 credits. So automatically I have 1,200 credits based on what I just did. So 600 from here and 600 on the other account. So you can keep on referring people, inviting people to your account. So you can share your link to invite people to join, and you get, for each person you refer, you get 500 coins to use. So now let's now go to the business of today, which is to create our motion control videos. Now just follow me as I'm going to show you through this. Now let's just, what you're going to come to this search bar you're seeing over here, just type motion control. Just type it, motion control. Once you type motion control, just click on send. Once you send that, it's going to bring you a lot the workflows for motion control. Now this, you can see they have several other workflows you under motion control you can use, but now I'm going to be using this particular one. Let me say I'm using this particular one. This is the one I'm going to be using. Once you click on it, it's going to load up for you. So it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So once you're on this particular interface, what you're going to simply just do, you can see from here you'll see where to upload your this. Now I've already gone ahead to upload my image. So once you click here, you're going to open up, and what you're just going to do is just select the image you want to use and just bring it in, which is what I just did. I did earlier. So now what you're going to now do is scroll down. Then you will see on this side of video, you are going to now bring in the video you want to use. So I'm going to bring in my video. Now I brought in my video. So now I'm bringing in my video. So now still uploading it. So it's going to show up here. Now you can see it has uploaded now. But one thing you should not take note is that your video should be 15 seconds in length, as in shouldn't be more than 60. That's the maximum. 15 seconds, that's the maximum it can go, but it can do lesser. So just try as much as possible. It shouldn't be more than 15 seconds. Now once you added that and do, you can see it's going to cost me 153 coins, and you can see I have 600. So that's, you can already know how many I can generate with this particular credit. I can generate like up to 3 with this particular credit. Now let's now click on run now and see. Now you can see the tax is generated. Now in case you kind of encounter any error, sometimes it might be from your video. What you just need to do is you can change the video you are actually using, probably due to the fact that the video is a kind of blur or one thing on the other. But what you actually are just need to do most of the time, it has to do with your video you enter, you submit it to the AI. So that's just what you need to check. So now I'm just going to just wait for this to finish generating, then I'm going to show you what it generated. So you can see my video has been generated for me, and although it took a while, it took about 13 to 15 minutes like that to generate the video for me, though probably because I'm using a free account now to generate this video. Now but one thing you can do, while waiting for this to finish generating, you can just, if you have more videos to generate, you can simply just switch to your second account and keep generating another one from there. So you can just come over to this three dots and click on download to download the video, although it's going to come with this watermark on it. So what you can just do, you can just download it and make use of it to maybe use your video editor and just zoom out and remove this watermark from it. That's just what I wanted to show you in this particular video. So guys, you can likewise try it out and let me know if it worked out for you in the comment section. You can see I still have about 425 credits, meaning I can still generate more videos. So guys, you can go ahead and try this website out and let me know if you were able to generate your motion control video.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.